So Yeezy October releases have been somewhat decent so far, but in my opinion, this is the best release of the month. So they waited all the way to the end to drop it on us. So we're gonna be checking out the 380 Calcite Glow. What's good, guys? It's JA. If y'all are new here on this channel, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, but stay tuned for today's new video because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Appreciate y'all for checking back in with me. We are back with the vibes, guys. We're gonna get into this unboxing. So I guess historically, October 31st is, I guess, generally a big month in terms of sneaker releases. Most brands, they usually drop like Halloween themed sneakers. I know Jordan dropped those shattered backboard joints last year, which, you know, had the orange color in them, so I get that. But actually, matter of fact, these do kind of have a Halloween vibe going on or whatever. Since they do glow in the dark technically. So let's go ahead and check these out together, y'all. Got a 380 box. And like I mentioned earlier, I think these are the best release of the month. So ever since these images leaked of these joints, I've been checking for these. So of course we have the highlight glow version dropping soon, but to me, these are the better of the two glow in the dark shoes. And surprisingly, those highlight glow joints actually come in a glow and non-glow version. So first and foremost, I do notice that we have a alternative pair of laces, which are gonna be just your white, classic, standard laces, of course. But let's go ahead and get into this shoe, man. We got the 380 Calcite Glow joints in my size 11. Let me know your first impressions, of course, in the comment section down below. So we're checking out the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow, which are set to release Saturday, October the 31st for a retail price of $250. And I'm gonna make a controversial statement right now. This is the best 380 colorway. In my opinion, this is an upgraded version of the Alien, but we'll get into that a little bit more later on in this video. All right, guys, so let's get into the details of this shoe. Of course, on the bottom, you do have that white exposed boost and the elevated heel, which I feel like makes this the most comfortable Yeezy model to date. Of course, on the sole, it does feature almost like a translucent with a little green hue to it due to the fact that these glow. Now on the upper, it's full prime knit. From the naked eye, it appears to just be an all white shoe. But I want to describe the color that's woven into this white upper is somewhat of a light mint color. And then of course that blob that y'all see on the side panel of the shoe is just straight gray. Of course they have a pair of white infinity laces, and then they come up with the backup pair of just your standard OG white laces. Now one thing I could have said, how about throwing a pair of glow in the dark laces? That might have been a dope touch. Now the 380, this model in particular, is not a hype beast model, guys. So basically when it comes to the 380, the first drop, because it was a new model and a new colorway, the Alien, those did good in terms of the resale, but there is no resale on the 380 at all. And these joints will not change. It's looking like these are gonna go for under retail. So meaning, if you guys strike out on release, do not panic buy. Just wait until everybody gets their pairs and you should be able to get these joints for retail or under retail, which makes it great for the people that are just looking to buy this shoe. All right, so y'all remember earlier I said that these joints are better than the OG Aliens. Before y'all kill me, let me show you why. Let's take a look at these joints side by side. Let me know what y'all think, man. These are definitely an inverted version of the Alien when you take a look at it, yo. I'm just a bigger fan of this more lighter tones. I feel like it's much more wearable. And due to the fact that they threw in that glow in the dark, it's killing it. I feel like the OG aliens, everybody thought that these had glow in the dark soles, and it turned out that they weren't. So I feel like this is just definitely an upgraded version. It wouldn't be the first time Ye has done this. So I feel like this is almost like an Alien 2.0. And I'm just a bigger fan of these joints overall. So let me know, which one do you got? You got the OG Alien, or you guys rocking with the new Calcite glow joints? Plus, good luck to everybody going for these joints on Saturday. Let me know, are you guys copping or are you holding out? Do you think these joints are gonna go for under retail? Just let me know what y'all think about these joints overall in the comment section. And if y'all could drop a like on this video, I would really appreciate it. So thank you all so much for checking in with me, guys. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I am out, y'all.